Hello everyone, it's Songling here and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making Korean-style mung bean sprout salad. If you've ever been to any Korean restaurant, you'll know the little plates of side dishes brought to you before the main entree. So this bean sprout salad is one of them, and quite frankly, it is one of my personal favorites. As always, you can find the list of ingredients and amounts in the description box below. This recipe requires only 5 ingredients, including salt, and it's super easy to make. We'll start by finely slicing the green onion and then crush 2 cloves of garlic. Set both aside, get a large pot of water and salt it generously. Once the water starts to boil, drop the bean sprouts in and blanch anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. 3 if you still want some crunch, and 5 if you don't. When your timer goes off, transfer the bean sprouts immediately into ice water or run it under cold tap water so it stops cooking. Once it's cooled completely, squeeze out the remaining water as much as you can and put it in a mixing bowl. Add our green onion, garlic, and sesame oil, thoroughly mix everything together, and season with salt to your taste. That's it. You can serve this immediately, or if you're in no rush, let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes so the flavor can further develop. This mung bean sprout salad is one of my favorite side dishes to make at all time. It is so easy and yet delicious. Crunchy, super flavorful, but still light. Honestly, I would be happy to eat just this with a bowl of rice and call it a meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, comment for any questions or thoughts, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay home whenever you can, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!